come from my house. Well, maybe, poor baby, you should try a bit harder. When I was your age, we didn't have marijuana, we just had working in a job every day. And if you ever felt down, well then, baby, you fake it. Well, no, I've never even seen myself naked. I'm fine. Now it's all just vaping and porn. It's pretty old that sitting on faces they're doing. These kids don't even know that they're born. I can't think what they do and that together they do, and that together they do, and that together they're doing. Probably doing it together they're doing it together they're doing. Good God, boys these days look like these kids now, they don't care about nothing at all. When I was your age, we didn't even have doors, we just had playing in the traffic with rocks. If it can't knock you down, well then you get right back up. When I was your age, you know we didn't need much to have fun. Now it's all just fucking on drugs for dear old Marine. Well, once a year was enough. Well, whatever happened to not making love? It's just sick what they do, and then together they do, and then together they do, and then together they're doing. Probably doing it together, they're doing it together, they're doing. Boys these days, almost boys.
ভবের মেয়ের বসে রইলি রঙ্গরস দিন কাটালি, ভবের মেয়ের বসে রইলি রঙ্গরস দিন কাটালি, শেষ কাটালে বুঝবি গপুর, শেষ কাটালে বুঝবি গপুর, যেদিন যাবি জেলখানা। আর কতদিন খেলবি খেলা, মরণ কি তোর হবে না, মরণ কি তোর হবে না। আইলো কত গেল কত, আইলো কত গেল কত, কোথায় তাদের ঠিকানা। আর কতদিন খেলবি খেলা, মরণ কি তোর হবে না, মরণ কি তোর হবে না, মরণ কি তোর হবে না।